Hello students. Today we will learn how to create a grease pencil object and go through the basic settings. When launching Blender, we have the option to choose a preset named 2D animation. But we won't do that because our goal is to learn how to set up the workspace ourselves according to our tasks. So, let's not be lazy. Launch Blender in its default configuration. Select everything with the A key and clear the scene of unnecessary objects. Now, let's create a grease pencil object. Press Shift A and select Grease Pencil. In the menu that appears, we'll be offered three options: blank, stroke, and monkey. To make our choice visible to the naked eye, let's select stroke. An object resembling a stroke will appear in the center of the scene. Here are the two most used property tabs that we will constantly use. The first is the Object Data Properties. We will work with layers on this tab. Now we can see two layers, one of which is empty. The second tab is the Material Properties. On it, we will create or modify materials. Now we can see 6 ready-made materials. Let's talk about editing modes. We are currently in object mode. In it, we can select an object and transform it. Move, rotate, or scale it. Let's switch to draw mode. In this mode, we can draw. Try drawing another stroke. It will differ from the stroke already on the screen. The strength slider controls the density of the stroke. If you move it to the maximum and disable pen pressure sensitivity, the color will become completely black. The radius parameter controls the size of the brush. The larger it is, the thicker the strokes will be. If you disable pen pressure sensitivity, the stroke will be the same thickness all along its length. You can change the stroke color by selecting a material from the materials list. You can also select a material here or in the right-click menu. If you want to erase strokes from the screen, you can select the eraser and remove the unnecessary parts. But you can avoid extra movements and erase strokes without switching from the pencil to the eraser. Just hold down the Control key. Without holding Control, we draw, and with Control, we erase. You can also use the Ctrl-Z key combination to undo the last action. Pressing Ctrl-Z again will delete the previous consecutive operations. Another mode we will often use is Edit mode. Each stroke consists of points, and in this mode, we can interact with each individual point. Now let's go back to Object mode and delete the Grease Pencil object. Create a new one, but this time select blank. A point appeared on the screen. This is the center of the object. In the outliner, we can see the created object, and if we want to select it, we can do it either in the viewport or in the outliner. By going to the Object Data tab, we will see that this time we have only one layer. And in the Materials tab, we can see only one material. Otherwise, everything is the same. Switching to Draw mode, we can draw strokes, and switching to Edit mode, we can work with points. Another important option is changing the background color. Go to the World Properties panel and choose a color. The results are not visible because the background color relates to lighting. The scene lighting is visible only in Render Preview mode. You can switch to this mode by clicking this button. In Material Preview mode, You can also activate the background color. To do this, open the shading menu and check Scene World. In principle, you can change the background color in the first two modes, solid and wireframe. In the shader menu, switch the background to viewport and choose a color. But keep in mind that this color does not affect the render. The render will show the color selected in the World Properties tab. Therefore, when working with Grease Pencil, it's better to always work in render preview mode to avoid confusion. The last option for today is disabling unnecessary elements displayed on the screen. In the overlay menu, you can disable the display of the 3D cursor, grid, or axis. Or by clicking this icon, you can hide all elements from the list at once. Let's stop here for now. See you soon. Bye-bye.